Yawning, a simple act we often take for granted, is a surprisingly complex phenomenon. We all do it from the moment we are born until our final days. But why do we yawn? What purpose does this seemingly involuntary action serve? While the answer isn't entirely clear, scientists believe that yawning is a multifaceted behavior with both physiological and social implications. Yawning is characterized by a deep inhalation of air, often accompanied by a wide opening of the mouth and stretching of the jaw. This is followed by a slower exhalation and a feeling of relaxation. It's an action so primal that it's even observed in the animal kingdom, from fish to birds to mammals. Despite its universality, the exact reasons behind yawning have puzzled scientists for centuries. Some believe it's primarily a physiological response, while others argue for its social significance. What is clear is that yawning is a fascinating example of how much we still don't know about our own bodies and behaviors. One of the most popular theories about yawning is that it helps increase oxygen levels in the blood. When we are tired or bored, our breathing may become shallow, leading to a build-up of carbon dioxide. Yawning, with its deep inhalation, could be the body's way of quickly restoring oxygen balance and expelling excess carbon dioxide. However, this theory has been challenged in recent years, as studies have shown that breathing pure oxygen doesn't necessarily decrease yawning, nor does breathing air with higher carbon dioxide levels increase it. This suggests that while oxygen intake might play a role, it's not the sole reason we yawn. Another prominent theory is the brain cooling hypothesis. This theory posits that yawning helps regulate brain temperature. The act of yawning, particularly the deep inhalation of cooler air, could cool down the brain, much like a radiator cools a car engine. This is supported by studies showing that people yawn more frequently in warmer temperatures. While more research is needed to fully understand the physiological purpose of yawning, it's likely a combination of factors, including oxygenation, brain cooling, and even stretching of the jaw and facial muscles. Yawning isn't just a solitary act, it's often influenced by our social environment, a phenomenon known as contagious yawning. We've all experienced it. One person yawns and suddenly everyone around them is yawning too. But why is yawning contagious? What makes us mimic this behavior in others? The answer likely lies in our social nature as humans. Contagious yawning is thought to be linked to empathy and social bonding. Studies have shown that we are more likely to yawn contagiously when we see someone we know and care about yawn compared to a stranger. This suggests that yawning could be a form of unconscious social communication, signaling empathy and understanding. Furthermore, contagious yawning may have played a role in group survival throughout human evolution. Imagine a group of early humans resting around a fire. One person yawns, signaling tiredness, and soon the whole group is yawning, suggesting it's time to sleep and conserve energy. This synchronization of behavior could have been crucial for coordinating group activities and ensuring safety. Yawning isn't unique to humans. It's observed in a wide range of species, from fish to reptiles to birds and mammals. This suggests that yawning is an ancient behavior with deep evolutionary roots, predating the emergence of humans by millions of years. While the exact evolutionary purpose of yawning remains a topic of debate, it likely served different functions in different species. In fish, for example, yawning might help regulate water pressure in the gills. In birds, it could be related to regulating air pressure during flight. In mammals, yawning seems to have evolved alongside social behavior. Many mammals, like primates and even dogs, exhibit contagious yawning, suggesting a link between yawning and social bonding. This further supports the theory that yawning, in addition to its physiological roles, serves as a form of social communication. While we may never fully unravel the mystery of yawning, its pervasiveness across species and throughout evolutionary history highlights its importance. It's a reminder that even the most mundane behaviors can have fascinating and complex origins, reflecting our interconnectedness with the natural world.